Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a private server on Roblox. This is super useful if you want to play a game with just specific friends or people. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Roblox application on your device. This works on both iOS and Android devices. Navigate to the game or experience you want to create a private server for. Find and select the specific experience you're interested in. Once you're on the Experience page, scroll down a bit. Look for the Servers option and click on it. In the Servers tab, you will see the option to create a private server. Click on Create Private Server. You will be prompted to name your server. Choose a name that you like. Note that some experiences may have a fee for creating a private server. In this case, it's free. If there is a fee, you will be asked to confirm the purchase. Click on Buy Now to finalize creating your private server. Congratulations! You now have your own private server. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. As always, peace out.